I'm showing the single burning infrared propane heater designed to attach directly to the top of a standard propane tank. This model produces up to 1500 BTU, providing a strong focus heater for outdoor spaces, workforce, or job sites. It's designed for well ventilated areas and works especially well when you need direct warmth in a special spot. The infrared burner radiance heat outward, so instead of just warming the air, it delivers heat directly to people and objects in front of. This means you can feel the warmth quicker after ignition. The tank top design keeps the compact and portable. It mounts securely onto the propane tank, making convenient to move and set up when it's needed.